Oh no. Oh no. Okay, it's actually pretty light. What is up, YouTube? The name is Alex Wrong. Welcome to my channel, Wrong Angling. Now, yes, to my loyal 30 subscribers, I did change the name from Alex Wrong to Wrong Angling, but I'm not really changing my name because I'm still Alex Wrong. I just wanted the channel to have a little bit of what it was in the name. So I'm gonna be giving that out a try, see if my subscriber count goes up anymore when I change the name. We'll see. Woo-hoo. I know you've seen it. I got me a new toy, and today is the first time she's touching the water. I'm super pumped. It is 5:09 in the morning. You might be asking, why is he up that early? I actually ain't been to bed. I worked last night. But the morning bite is ridiculous. And the evening bite, not so much. So I'm out here chasing that morning bite. Do have two guys that want to meet up with me. So I told them come on out, and they both too have brand new kayaks they haven't used yet. It's gonna be an interesting day. We're all gonna be on kayaks we know nothing about. Mine's really sweet though. I can't wait to show y'all. I'm ready to hit the water. Let's hit the water. I got loaded up right here. While he's coming back, I'm waiting on him to help me get this in the water. I'm gonna make a couple casts, see if I can't smoke one right in front of him. Just got nailed. There it is. Good one. Pretty good one here. Not a bad one at all for the first fish of the day. Got it pretty good. Nice. Oh, dude.
Good fish.
This is barely even, she's barely even hooked, man. All right, pretty good first little bite of the day. Get her back in the waters here. Seen better days this poor guy has, but this is a good little fight, man. You're gonna be all right. Yeah. Good deal. This thing is pretty badass. I ain't even gonna front nobody like it ain't. There he is. Oh, I got him still. Dude, he killed my spinnerbait. No, he was hooked twice. Cast it on the edge of that grass, and this guy right here come got it. I'm gonna let him go and let him get a whole lot bigger. Oh yeah, they are freaking munching today, boss. So I was just bullshit talking, and I want to smack the Val bug right in the mouth, boss. He ain't bad. 2 pounds? No, he probably about a pound. Oh God, man, I hooked him through his brain. Not a bad little guy. Oh my God, I re-hooked him. What are the odds of that? See, baby. All right, guys, time to catch a fish. Well, I don't know what to say about that. That wasn't a sign I need to retie. That was a sign I need to throw the spinnerbait. That should be a fish, man. Yep. He squared up on it. He don't have it now. I've never really felt that with a spinnerbait. I lost him. Maybe he just swiped at it. There he is. Got him back that time. Oh. Not a bad little guy right here. He might be 2 pounds. I'm gonna just get him back. He's ready to go for sure. See, buddy. Ain't nothing hardly biting now since it's warmed up. Never mind. Oh, that's a good one. Come on. Come on. We're out, buddy. No. No, freaking no. I am recording. Cool. That's a good one. Oh, golly, dude, that's probably my PB. I don't know.
Dude, he's a monster.
Whew. No, buddy. You ain't going no freaking where. Oh, they've been doing this to me so much. Hey, calm your ass down, dude. You're getting weighed. I don't care. I don't care what you say, buddy. You're getting weighed. Come on. Come on. Damn it, man. He's 4'7". 4 pounds, 7 ounces, 3. He's basically 4'8". He's really close to 4'8". I was hoping he would be over 4'9", because that is my personal best and still is. This is a good fish. Don't get me wrong. Best fish I've caught this year. All right. This is the best fish I've caught all year. And he's a pretty good one, man. He's pretty close to my PB. He's 4'7", 3'8". My PB is 4'9", 4 pound 9 ounces. So didn't break PB today, but oh yeah, he's ready to go. Good healthy fish right here. Good healthy fish. Look at him, man. I was just telling Jeff this is where I caught my PB at, and I caught one that's literally an ounce less than the PB. I knew it was over 4 as soon as I saw it. I was hoping it was pushing 5, but nice 4.5 pound bass. I'll take that any day, for real. That was so weird. Oh my God! That's sad.
Is that a fish?
That's a fish.
Bullshit.
That's a bluegill.
No way.
You look.
I thought that was just a lure.
No.
About the size of some of those little.
Oh my God.
Your lure is literally bigger than that fish.
It is. Holy cow. Yeah, well, this is a first. Reeled in, I was like, oh, I got a piece of seaweed on this. Did you see this fish?
Yeah, I saw it.
That's crazy as hell. Look at that Seth, boss. Hold up your PB for the camera one more time. Look at that slime, boss. Oh yeah.
Not even a pound.
13 ounces, Geechee son. Okay, so editing the video behind me, as you can see here, that kayak is a freaking game changer. It's called the Lost Creek Angler. If anybody watching this is interested and wants to know about that kayak, I got it at Sportsman's Warehouse. I'm from Kentucky. I ordered it online and went and picked it up in Lexington, Kentucky. Man, first time on the water, and I catch the biggest bass I've caught this year. You think that's a coincidence? No. I just zip around that thing like crazy. It's awesome. It's gonna be hard to get me off that thing. Had a small GoPro malfunction, and something I was kind of pumped about while I was fishing after it had happened was I caught this fish. It was probably not even 2 pound. It was a bass. Probably wasn't even 2 pound, but I gut hooked it, and I went in there with pliers and had the camera down its throat, pulled it up, got it out. Bass swam off just fine. I was pumped, and I was talking about like how I done it and stuff. I can't find that footage on the card. It won't show up on the computer. I can't find it anywhere. So either I wasn't actually recording and thought I was. That's probably what happened. Yeah, but I can have a conspiracy theory. This is America. I do what I want. Wrong angling. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, Geechee son.